The workshops are by application only, so they're not for everyone. Anyone who wishes to participate in those workshops need to be hungry to discover their own power. And because of this, it's by application, because we need to assess at what state the applicant is so that we don't waste their time and we don't compromise the quality of the experience for the workshop. You cannot unknow what you will find out. Actually, one particular participant gave us amazing feedback, and he said the person who walked into the workshop was not the same person who walked out. So it's a personal choice. You would have people who would sit there, see all this information, participate in the interactions and in the exercises, and then decide that they don't wish to use their own power. And you have other people who would basically look at all this, and their mind will be blown as to them coming to terms with the fact that they have a lot of power that they're not using. And those people are not the same. My experience has been, because it's by application only, very few people come out without a very strong commitment to unleash their power, change their lives, and influence everyone around them positively.